Hi, Mike Krekla, Tsunami Compressed Air Solutions. We occasionally get some calls about servicing the Regenerative dryer desiccant canisters, and they say when the canister comes off, and I'll kind of simulate it here for you, they're having the tower mounting stud come out. So I'm just going to pop this off here so the desiccant canister removes from the dryer block. And then the regen valve where the tower stud is actually comes with the canister instead of staying with the dryer manifold. Often these are serviced every three years, and occasionally these can come out with it. So we're just going to take a vice grip just gently with the rag here just so we can get this loosened. And then once that's done, then we'll be able to remove it by hand. And as you can see, it'll be still intact, still able to be used, and you can then simply screw it back into the tower block. If you do happen to damage this or you simply want to replace it, it is a service part. It is our tower mounting stud. You can find the part information on our website, and we'll put the information below in the video. But yeah, essentially you can remove it if it comes out with the tower, and simply add it back into your dryer block. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at tsunami.us.com.